बर' बिबार हानजा सुनायखौ दिनैनो हौवा गोदान आरो हिन्जाव गोदान गलायनायखौ लानाय जादों। बेवहाय जोङो हौवा गोदान लागोनिफ्राय गामिनि नुजाबोनो हानाय गासिबो देखायनाय जादों आरो बेजों लोगोसे हिन्जाव गोदान लागोनिफ्राय फैनाय गामिनि माखासे सेंग्रा सिख्लाफोर आरो बेजों लोगोसे हिन्जाव गोदाननि बिनानाव गाम्बारि आथिङाव आथिं सुना होगोन दा बेखौ जों देखायना आखायाव लानाय जाबाय।
Morning to one and all present over here, respected teachers, dear judges, and all my dear physician brothers, sisters, and all friends. Today, with the Department of Botany is presenting on the topic awareness of coronavirus. As we all know, nowadays, since 2019, coronavirus is infecting all over the world. So, we are here to represent on coronavirus. So, to protect yourself and others from infection by staying at least 1 meter away, get fully vaccinated when it's your turn, and follow local guardian. Be negative in corona, be positive in life. So today, together we say, go back coronavirus.
Department of English, Department of
Equal right, equal fight. No right, no right. 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 No hate.
아다, 립스틱 바르면 정말.
faculty members present here and my beloved students from various parts of the state and all other persons present here today on the concluding day of the Bonzer festival. I just came to know that college annual function has been renamed as the Bonzer festival. So this is the closing ceremony and I'm thankful to the union body and all along with the principal, all faculty members also for giving me this opportunity to be present as the chief guest of the function, because it is giving me a new experience about the college and having some new information also about present status of the college. So I am one of the alumni of this college. I was also a student of this college. Although I was not so famous student during my college life, average, and nobody knew about me because during my student life I didn't have any greater role also. But this college has given me a lot, including the degree and the experience of life and the knowledge about the education world and the greater part of the society also. I got the lesson and education about society, how a person can serve the society in a various way. Somebody may throw the education institutions may be serving the society in various fields. So if I am a cabinet minister today, this is because of this Kokrajhar College. Kokrajhar College, the Kokrajhar area and Kokrajhar district, it is known by this college itself, none other than this Kokrajhar College. So one college, if it is a successful and a good college, it gives an identity to the area. Now we have the Bodleian University, a new identity. We are known by the Bodleian University. But simultaneously, the name and fame of this college is also not going down. It is still maintaining its status, standard and dignity. So I hope this college will continue to grow and provide service to the society through the education and the quality education. Today I have received a memorandum from the principal madam. It is in connection with the development of this college, further development of this college. And it was very old dream and a demand, so to say, that college need to be upgraded to a university. Once the chief minister, I think present chief minister, agreed this concept also, that Kokrajhar College can be upgraded to a university. So he is a minister in the Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma's ministry as a cabinet member. This is my moral responsibility to take off this matter with the chief minister and the education minister also. I also hope that college can be upgraded and that needs to be, and that is to be upgraded to university. There are some other problems. It is mentioned in the, this memorandum, like this college is very old. In 1959, it was established by some visionary people of this area. It was the only educational institutions, premier institutions that has changed the entire society of this area. In fact, if we talk about our development of civilization, development in various parts, So this is the only institutions, the Caucasus College, that has given us a new concept of the civilization, modern civilization. Our civilization based on the modern civilization based on this institution. But we still have the myriads of the problem, myriads of problem. This is the college situated in the located in the downtrodden area. Still, it is a 6 scheduled areas, and in the constitution, what does 6 scheduled area mean? 6 scheduled may be a political setup, but this literal meaning of the 6 scheduled means the downtrodden area. It is not so developed at par with the other parts of the country. That's why the special status has been given to that. So we still have the problem. As it is mentioned in the demands, so we have therefore IT facility in the college, and it is very necessary in the gradation of the NARC to score mark from the NARC assessment. IT facility is a very important part.